The Find series took a break after 2014, but now it is back with a new design, flagship specs, and a few tricks. The Find X has a 6.4-inch screen, which is a big jump when compared to the 5.5-inch screen of the Find 7 and Find 7a, but with practically no bezels, there is not a huge difference in the size of both phones. The screen of the Oppo Find X stretches to the top, and therefore obliterates the bezel where the front camera, sensor, and earpiece usually reside. There is still a small slit for the earpiece above the display, but Oppo has come up with a trick, a familiar one, to hide the sensors in front camera. Unlike the Vivo X, that has a pop-out front-facing camera, the Find X itself has a large automatic sliding mechanism, equal to the width of the phone. When this part of the phone slides out, it not only reveals the front camera and 3D face scanning sensors for unlocking the phone, it also reveals the dual rear cameras and LED flash. Oppo has termed it as stealth 3D cameras. It is similar to what Doogie demoed with the Mix 4 prototype, but with a slightly different take. Oppo says the slide-out mechanism pops out in just 0.5 seconds. It is pretty fast, and even if it is not for you, you will have to get used to it if you want to unlock your phone. That is because the Find X does not have a fingerprint scanner. There is not one under the screen, on the side, or at the back. So it is either 3D face unlock or O-Face as Oppo calls it, or pin pattern password. The Oppo Find X has a 6.4-inch curved 1080p OLED display, with a 93.8% screen-to-body ratio. It is powered by the Snapdragon 845 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of built-in storage. It has a 25MP camera for selfies, with multiple 3D portrait lighting features, an Oppo-owned take on the iPhone X emojis which it calls Omoji. There is a 16MP plus 20MP dual camera combo on the rear, with OS and AI features such as scene recognition. Launch the camera app or any app that needs to use a camera, and the slide-out mechanism brings up the cameras for you. It will also automatically retract when you exit the app. If you are wondering about how durable the sliding mechanism is, Oppo says it will last up to 5 years without any issues. The Oppo Find X does not have a fingerprint scanner, but it has O-Face, which Oppo says has a failure rate of 1 in 1 million compared to that of a fingerprint scanner, which is 1 in 50,000. O-Face is secure enough for payment and therefore supports Alipay. The phone has a dual SIM slot which is at the bottom beside the USB-C port. It has global LTE support, which means it will work in any country. There is no audio jack, which should not be a surprise anymore. Battery capacity is 3,730 mAh with Oppo VOOC fast charging. The Find X runs Android 8.1 Oreo with Color OS 5.1 on top. Oppo says the phone will get support for Android P Beta. The Oppo Find X comes in blue and red. It will sell for €999, about $1,966, and will be available in August.